If you think Cyprus is just about beautiful beaches, think again. Limassol isn't just another sun-soaked coastal city. It's a place where ancient kingdoms once rose and fell, where medieval castles guard the secrets of crusaders, where the scent of citrus blossoms drifts through narrow streets, and where the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean meet modern luxury marinas. A city where ancient ruins whisper tales of gods, where azure waters lap golden beaches, and the aroma of fresh maize fills lively tavernas. Welcome to Limassol Cyprus, the island's vibrant gem and a crossroads of cultures. Why is Limassol a must-visit in 2025? Rich history, from Byzantine empires to Ottoman influences, iconic landmarks like Limassol Castle, and dishes like halloumi. From hidden beaches to the Carnival festival, we'll uncover why Limassol is Cyprus's cultural heart. So, if you've ever dreamed of visiting a Mediterranean city where history, culture, and modern living blend seamlessly, buckle up. This is going to be an unforgettable journey. Limassol, or Limassos in Greek, is Cyprus's second largest city and one of the most important ports in the Mediterranean. It sits perfectly between two of the island's most famous archaeological sites, Amathus to the east and Kourion to the west. This location makes it not only a gateway to the island, but also a place where centuries of history have collided. Over the centuries, Limassol has been ruled by the Byzantines, the Crusaders, the Venetians, the Ottomans, and the British, each leaving behind its own mark on the city's architecture, food, and traditions. What makes Limassol unique is its dual personality. On one hand, it's a modern cosmopolitan hub with skyscrapers, designer boutiques, and a buzzing nightlife. On the other, it's still deeply connected to traditional Cypriot life, with family-run tavernas, local markets, and centuries-old churches hidden in quiet neighborhoods. And unlike many tourist-only destinations, Limassol is a working city, meaning it feels alive all year round, not just in summer. The people of Limassol are known for being warm, hospitable, and deeply proud of their city. Family plays a huge role in daily life, and so do festivals. From the Carnival in February, one of the biggest in the Mediterranean, to the Wine Festival every September, celebrating the island's ancient winemaking traditions. Language-wise, Greek is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in hospitality and business. You'll also hear Russian, Arabic, and Romanian, thanks to Limassol's diverse expat community. Religion plays a cultural role, with the majority being Greek Orthodox, and churches are central meeting points during religious celebrations. Cost of living in Limassol. Is Limassol affordable for travelers, digital nomads? Yes, but pricier than northern Cyprus. A single person can live comfortably on euros 1,000 to 1,800 per month, dollars 1,100 to 2,000, or 20 to 30% higher than Nicosia, but cheaper than Western Europe. Here's the breakdown. Housing. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center costs 600 to 1,000 euros. Outside, 400 to 700 euros. Food. Street souvlaki costs 3 to 5 euros. Restaurant meals are 10 to 15 euros. Monthly groceries, 200 to 300 euros. Transport. Buses cost 1.5 euros per ride. Monthly passes are 40 to 60 euros. Taxis or Uber, 5 to 10 euros per ride. Monthly transport, 50 to 100 euros. Utilities, electricity, water, and high-speed internet total 100 to 150 euros per month. Entertainment, movie tickets are 8 to 10 euros. Gym memberships start at 30 euros per month. Healthcare. Private clinics like Yigi Apollo Clinic offer consultations for 30 to 50 euros. Dental cleanings cost 20 to 40 euros. Expats recommend international insurance, 50 to 100 euros per month for emergencies, as public hospitals can be slow. Pros: affordable food, sunny lifestyle, and expat-friendly areas like Yermasogia. Ex-posts praise €500 month apartments near the Marina. Cons: rising rents due to tourism and limited public transport in suburbs. Limassol suits budget travelers and retirees seeking sun and sea. Top 10 must-visit places in Limassol. Limassol's attractions blend history, nature, and fun. Here are 10 must-visit spots. Limassol Castle, a 14th century fortress with the Cyprus Medieval Museum. Entry is $4.50. Richard the Lionheart married here. Kourion Archaeological Site, a Greco-Roman city with a 2nd century BC amphitheater. Entry is $4.50. Sea views are stunning. Molos Castle, a 13th century Crusader castle known for Commendaria wine. Entry is $2.50. Taste honey from nearby farms. Amathus Archaeological Site, ruins of an ancient kingdom with Aphrodite's temple. Entry is $2.50. Peaceful coastal location. Fasuri Watermania, Europe's top water park with slides and lazy rivers. Entry is $35. Great for families. Molos Park and Promenade, a seafront park with sculptures and cafes. Free, ideal for sunset walks. Limassol Marina, luxury yachts and restaurants. Free to stroll, yacht charters are $50 to $100 per hour. Pisuri Beach, a pebbly beach 30 kilometers west with clear waters. Free, taverna meals are $10 to $15. Troodos Mountains day trip, 1-hour drive to olive groves and villages. Tours are $30 to $50. Cape Island. Wait, that's from Cyprus? No, for Limassol, it's Cape Gata Island, a ferry ride to silk weaving villages. Tours are $10 to $15. Why these? Accessible by bus, $1.50 to $5, or car. They showcase Limassol's ancient roots and modern leisure. Best things to do in Limassol. Limassol offers adventures for all. Here are 10 top things to do. Limassol Carnival, February's colorful parades with floats and costumes. Free, join the fun. Wine tasting at Onuyi Winery. Sample Commendaria, Cyprus's sweet wine, $10 to $15. Tours include olive oil tasting. Snorkeling at Cape Gata. Dive into clear waters with sea turtles. $20 to $30 gear rental. Boat tours available. Limassol Wine Festival, September's event with free tastings and music. Entry is $5 to $10. Cooking class at Cyprus Taste Tours. Make meze or halloumi, $30 to $50. Take-home recipes. Hike Kuri's Dam. Trails around the dam with birdwatching. Free. Pack water. Visit Limassol Zoo. See lemurs and lions. $5 entry. Great for families. Nightlife at Marina. Bar hop at trendy spots like Breeze. $5 to $8 drinks. Safe and lively. Batik workshop at Natural Batik Village. Create Pahang-style batik. $15 to $25. No, for Limassol, it's silk weaving on Kodak. $10 to $15. Day trip to Larnaca Salt Lake. 1-hour drive to flamingo watching. Tours are $20 to $30. Pro tip, book via Viatoria or get your guide for discounts. Carry euros for rural areas. Must-try foods in Limassol. Limassol's cuisine is a Cypriot delight. Here are must-try dishes. Halloumi cheese at Columbia Beach Resort, $5 to $8, squeaky and savory. Shiftalia, Cypriot sausage wrapped in caul fat. Meze, a platter of dips, salads, and meats at tavernas, $10 to $15 per person. Share with friends. Souvlaki, grilled meat skewers with pita at Pisuri Beach Tavernas, $4 to $6, fresh and flavorful. Kleftiko, slow-baked lamb in clay ovens at Ovrakas Taverna, $8 to $12, tender and traditional. Amathus, honey-drizzled donuts at night markets, $2 to $4, sweet Mediterranean treat. For drinks, don't miss Commandaria wine, a sweet dessert wine. Zivania, a strong Cypriot spirit. Pro tip, visit Limassol Market for fresh olives, $2 per kilogram, or tavernas in Germasogea for meze. Vegans can find grilled veggies and hummus. What makes Limassol beautiful and significant? Coastal beauty, long stretches of sandy and pebbly beaches. Historical depth, layers of civilizations visible in its ruins and architecture. Cultural energy, festivals, art exhibitions, music events all year round. Gastronomic excellence, from seafood tavernas by the Marina to Michelin-level fine dining. Gateway to the Troodos Mountains, perfect for day trips into wine country and traditional villages.
Cultural festivals and local crafts. Limassol's culture shines through festivals and crafts. Limassol Carnival, February's colorful parades with costumes and floats. Free, join the grand parade. Limassol Wine Festival, September's event with free tastings and music. Entry 5 to 10 euros. Cataclysmos, Flood Festival, June's water festival with beach games, free, celebrates the Holy Spirit. Local crafts. Buy hand-woven baskets for $10 to $20 or pottery for 5 to 15 euros at Limassol Municipal Market. Try silk weaving workshops on Côte for $10 to $15. Street art in the Marina district is Instagram-worthy. Ex-posts highlight Carnival's energy, but suggest booking hotels early for February. Key points: Carnival and Wine Festival for vibrant celebrations, baskets and pottery as authentic souvenirs, free or low-cost festival access. Is Limassol safe for tourists? Limassol is generally safe for tourists in 2025, with precautions. Cyprus welcomed 4 million tourists in 2024, and Limassol's low crime rate makes it welcoming. Petty theft like pickpocketing is the main concern, with 30 to 40% of incidents at the beaches or markets. Violent crime is rare, with Limassol's rate lower than Nicosia's. Safety concerns. Theft. Pickpocketing occurs at the marina or beaches. Use anti-theft bags and hotel safes. Scams. Taxi overcharges. Use official apps like Bolt, 5 to 10 euros per ride. Beach risks. Strong currents at some beaches. Swim at flagged areas. Health. Tap water is safe. Summer heat, 85 degrees Fahrenheit, requires hydration. Private hospitals offer quality care, 30 to 50 euros per visit. Safety strengths. Tourist police patrol key areas and English is spoken widely, 70 to 80% fluency. The 2024 Global Peace Index ranks Cyprus 19th, safer than the UK, 37th. Ex-posts praise Limassol's family-friendly vibe, but warned about crowded beaches. With vigilance, Limassol is a secure gem. Key points: generally safe with petty theft as the main issue. Tourist police and good medical facilities available. Use Bolt, secure valuables, and swim safely. Insider tips for visiting Limassol. Here's how to thrive in Limassol. Navigation: use buses, 1.5 euros per ride, or Bolt, 5 to 10 euros per ride. Google Maps is reliable for English directions. Rural areas need a car rental, 20 to 30 euros per day. Safety: keep valuables in hotel safes, carry 10 to 20 euros cash. Avoid isolated beaches at night. Get travel insurance for medical emergencies. Budget tips: eat at municipal market, 1 to 3 euros apiece. Book combo tickets for sites, 10 to 15 euros, and stay in hostels, 15 to 30 euros a night. Best time to visit: February for Carnival, June for beaches, November for mild weather, 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid July to August for heat. Cultural etiquette: greet with yasu, tip 5 to 10% at tavernas, dress modestly at churches. Join locals for coffee, 1 to 2 euros. Tech tip, get a Cyprus SIM card, 10 to 20 euros per month for data. Use trip.com for hotel and tour deals. Pro tip, stay in Limassol for beaches or the city center for culture. Follow at Visit Limassol on X for updates. Key points, easy navigation with buses and Bolt. Safe with precautions, budget-friendly. Cultural respect enhances local connections. Limassol isn't just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where you can spend the morning exploring ancient ruins, the afternoon sunbathing on a blue flag beach, and the evening sipping wine by the Marina as fishing boats sway gently in the water. It's where Cyprus's past, present, and future meet, and where every visitor leaves with more than just photographs. They leave with stories, flavors, and memories that stay for a lifetime. So, if you've been wondering where to go for your next Mediterranean escape, Limassol should be at the top of your list.